Sunshine, BROCHIKAS. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I don't know why I have to announce the days, but it just makes me feel good. I have had 2 cups of coffee and I'm feeling really good. I'm gonna get on the treadmill again. Forgot to tell you guys yesterday that I ended up doing 30 minutes instead of the 15, so pat on the shoulder. I'm gonna go ahead and try for another 30 today because I'm just feeling really good. So I already have a sports bra on underneath because I just brought my daughter to school not too long ago. So I just need to find some sort of athletic pants here. So we're gonna put some leggings on and we are gonna go work out. I'm feeling really good today, except for the fact that I do have to go get a root canal later. And I don't know what I was thinking when I was talking yesterday to you guys, that I said I wouldn't have time to exercise because I have to get a root canal today. Silly me, my root canal is at 3 p.m. I don't know what's wrong with me. So I have quite a while. It is only 8 now. That's basically all I have going on today is that I have to go get a root canal. So like, whoop-de-doo. I do probably have to do some cleaning around the house, so hopefully this motivation stays with me so I can clean in the house more. And then I also want to put on, you know what, let's do it right now. I want to put these little lights on. Oh, also, look how cute. I've got this like tiny little Christmas tree. I only have it here. I know this doesn't look right because it's like flapping over, but I don't have an end table up here. I really need a side table up here and I don't have one. So I have this tiny little itty bitty tree from Dollar Tree. This one I just got, you guys saw in the haul. This I've had for a little while from Dollar Tree, and I put the other one up here because I wanted the upstairs living room to be decorated as well. But you know, the upstairs is coming together. See, we've got some pictures up. We've got some pictures up. This is his sports room. See, he's got all of his sports flags. But I just bought these from Dollar Tree the other day, and I got them for this plant. This plant is usually in our downstairs living room, but obviously we have the Christmas tree up, so we brought it up here. Can I set you guys down? Please tell me this is gonna work. If this phone falls, it's gonna be bad because those are my stairs right behind you. But yeah, so I want to put these on this tree and just make it festive up here, right? So if we're chilling upstairs and watching like a movie, it can still feel Christmassy upstairs. So this is just a 5-footer because it's from Dollar Tree, so it's like not a lot. Wow, 5 feet, my ass, what the hell? There's 2 feet of lights. Bro. That's 2 feet of lights. Why are you gonna call it a 5-foot because it has a cord? Are you? I didn't expect much, Dollar Tree, but that's a little atrocious, okay? I'm gonna turn off this light so you guys can kind of see it, but there's a bright light from outside coming in. So it covers like the center, so not bad. I mean, that's all I wanted was just like a little something something. I do wish it was like a foot longer of lights though. Like I do feel like Dollar Tree played me a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Also, before I go work out, I've been meaning to sanitize this makeup that I got for free. So I'm just gonna go into my makeup kit and get my alcohol spray. And I'll show you guys what I got in a second. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You little stinker. Don't bite. Don't bite. No. That's mean. Crazy. Okay, so I got some free makeup from Facebook Marketplace. I know it seems sketch, but just wait. So this is brand new and it's actually could be pretty useful. It's kind of cool. It's like these long spatulas so you could get to the bottom of your foundation and use the rest of it so it doesn't go to waste. So that's kind of cool. This is a lip gloss, so obviously that's gonna be trash. I'm not not about to use a used lip gloss, you know what I'm saying? Why is this not? Hello. Even though it's a very pretty gloss. All right, I had to put my flash on. So we got this foundation palette, which I can clean and sanitize and use it if I wanted to, but we'll see. This palette, which is, I think I'm gonna give to my friend because she just got into makeup recently, and this is sort of like a beginner's palette, I would say. I won't get any use out of this, I already know. So there's all kinds of blushes, some contours, some highlights, and then a bunch of eyeshadows here, but I know I won't use that. And these are what I was excited about. So like getting this whole bag for free was worth it just because of these 3 pieces right here. I love LA Girl, and look at these. Look at this eyeshadow palette. Hey. Look at how gorgeous. Oh, this mirror is. These colors are super gorgeous, and they're like super pigmented too. Look at that. Insane, right? Excuse you. So yeah, really pretty eyeshadows. Look at these blushes. They are so freaking pretty. Like this orange one, or these 2 orangey ones, peachy. Oh my gosh, so pretty, especially for summer. This is called Island Hottie. And then there's also this blush palette, and it has a contour in there. So heck yeah, man. LA's shadows, LA's powders is like super buttery. I also got like this. I don't know what's in here. There's like this pair of eyelashes which are like trash, honestly. This is like a brand new pedicure brush and stone. I know that's from Dollar Tree because I have stuff like that. 2 nail polishes. I don't know if I'll use these, honestly. Probably just give these to my friend too. Okay, so what I like to do to sanitize, hey, watch out, is just like take a paper towel or a tissue and just wipe it like this. Get a new side every time you wipe it. And after you've wiped it all with the paper towel, just go with your alcohol and spray it down. And then just let it air dry. So I went ahead and cleaned the litter box, and I vacuumed her little area because she gets litter everywhere. And I swept downstairs and I started a load of laundry. So that way, if I work out and then afterwards I'm lazy, at least a couple things got done. Probably the only other thing I have to do is dishes. Because I did do a big house clean the other day. Guys, look at what I'm dealing with. So this is the motherboard. We had to pull it out because, well, we got this for free on the side of the road. And it was working fine and everything, but one day my husband pressed the button too hard and it broke. So the only way to make it work is we took the motherboard out of there, and we just have to like move it in the right spot. It still works. It's just kind of like frustrating, but you know, I can't complain because it was free. And honestly, I never thought that the treadmill would be my favorite thing, but I love the treadmill because I used to love walking. Like when I first started my health journey, that's all I did was go on walks. And I would take Austin in the stroller while Mila was at school, but now he can't be in the stroller. It's like that awkward time where he's too big for the stroller, but he also walks too slow. So it's not like I can easily exercise outside like I used to. So I do love, like I said yesterday, opening this up and having some fresh air and listening to music and walking on the treadmill. I haven't spent much time on the bike lately. I don't know why. And I haven't been weight training that much either, but I know I'll get back into it eventually. It is so hard. Like usually the holidays don't tempt me, but I'm telling you, like, I've just been treating myself way too much this year. And it's like hard to stop. But as long as I have good intentions, you know, everything is fine. I just need to stop living like I'm expecting myself to be completely different than I am. I just want to accept myself for what I look like, and not by any means do I think I look bad. That's not what I'm saying. I don't think that's like I'm not good enough for other people. I think I've been like not good enough for me, and I need to just be like accepting of what my body type is and what I look like. And I want to stop like, I'm gonna put you guys down. I just want to stop like trying to be something that I'm not going to be unless I have a lot of surgeries, you know what I mean? And also it's like I'm so happy in life, and I'm so just I don't know, just really happy in life. I like happy with my family, my kids, my husband, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm just so happy that like I should just be like whatever about my body as long as I'm not super unhealthy and obese. So I need to just be cool with what I am. I think the number bothers me because I know I was keeping it to like 165, and that's like my happy place. Right now I'm 170, if I'm completely honest with you. I got to 178 in Vegas from all the cheats, so I'm down 8 pounds, but I feel like I'll pretty much stay at 170. It's always from 165 to 170. That's like my place, and I need to just be happy with that. I feel like I'm just so tired of like, I know that I put myself out there with keto, but I just don't want anybody to like expect this huge weight loss or change from me, because it's probably not gonna happen. I'm probably gonna be this weight for the rest of my life. If I were to guess or assume, I'm gonna be this for the rest of my life. And you know what? I'm not mad at it, because I was 220 at one time, so I am not mad at it. Sorry if you hear my toilet. I just flushed it. This is my lazy outfit of the day. I just got water on myself and I washed my hands. Yeah, I didn't want to do makeup today. I just want to be lazy, but I did put a tiny bit of peach concealer on the pimples that were like super red, and just like blended it out. And I took my powder brush and just put it all over my face, like with whatever powder was on it from yesterday, honestly. But yeah, I got my hair out of my face because it was feeling like greasy and annoying already, which is weird because I just washed it yesterday, and I think it's my heat protectant that makes it feel that way, so I need to look into a different heat protectant. But I'm just wearing this cute little shirt. It says The Real World. This is from Target. I think I got it for like $2 on sale. And these are also from Target, but I got them at the thrift store. They're by Wild Fable, and these are my most favorite sweatpants, guys. I'm obsessed with them because, first of all, I love when they have pockets, and second of all, they're high-waisted, which I love. These are a size medium, and they're joggers, so they cinch at the bottom. They're just so comfy. These are like my little granny sweatpants. I don't know. I look like lazy AF when I wear them, but you know what? They're super comfortable. So I wasn't sure what I wanted to eat, but we do need a grocery shop. I don't know if tomorrow we're grocery shopping or Wednesday. So I decided on egg salad, but egg salad takes a little bit of time because I gotta boil it and then peel it and then put the mayonnaise in it. So I'm eating some cheddar in the meantime because I'm just so hungry, but mayonnaise sounds really good right now. Like, I just want something with mayonnaise. And I have tons of low-carb tortillas. Like, I have an unopened pack, so I might as well use it. I like to put my egg salad in that. So I guess I'm just gonna watch Gossip Girl while it's boiling. I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I like my egg salad. I have 4 eggs with a lot of mayonnaise. I don't know how much it is. I took like 2 heaping forkfuls and stirred it because I like a good amount of mayonnaise in mine, but also when you put the dry seasonings, obviously it makes it a little drier, so I go a little heavy with it. Now, celery salt is really what gives it that egg salad flavor, I feel, because I never have celery on hand And when I buy it, I never use even half of it because so much comes in it and then it goes bad by the time I use all of it. So I just like celery salt in my egg salad, and this just really gives it such a good flavor. And I like to make my egg salad sort of like a spicy egg salad. So I put paprika, put some chili powder, just a little bit of cayenne, lastly some onion powder. So it should come out with this kind of like light macaroni orange color, and then I'll like give it a taste and see if it needs anything else. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper too. I forgot I like to add this as well. Perfect. That is my perfect egg salad. And yeah, it is so freaking good. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's like, I'm telling you, I know eggs can get boring, but when you spice things up, change it around, you know? I love me some egg salad. I don't know why I always crave egg salad. I'm a weirdo, but it's so freaking good. So I have that in the fridge. It's gonna get a little bit cool. And I don't know if I wanna use little tortillas or big ones. I think I'll use 2 little ones. I'm really hungry and I need to be full, so I won't keep eating everything in this house. So these are my favorite low carb tortillas right now. I'm not sure where else you can find them besides H-E-B. That's where I get mine. But I would assume, I mean, hopefully Walmart or something, but it's the La Tortilla Factory low carb whole wheat tortillas. There's 10 of them. It's 50 calories, 3 net carbs, 8 fiber, and 5 protein. So I really like these, and they feel very natural. Simply Better tortillas, no GMO, no artificial sweeteners. Yeah, so I really like this one. It's got really good wholesome ingredients versus this one is the H-E-B brand, and it just feels exactly like a real tortilla. Like it's too close to home, you know? I'm sure the ingredients are fine, but what bothers me is they used to be 3 net carbs and now they're 4 net carbs. So you'd be surprised how much more that can add. If you're having 3 breakfast tacos, that's 12 carbs. And not to say that I'm perfect with my carbs. I'm definitely not. Like, I definitely eat more carbs than 20 on a daily basis. Like, I know, like, to be lazy keto, you're supposed to still be under 20. I mean, probably on a daily basis, I'm anywhere from 20 to 50. That's just like maintenance level for me, and that's just how I live my life. And I just don't want to be like counting my calories and counting my carbs. But if I had to guess, I don't go over 50 on like a normal day. Okay, here's my egg salad tacos. That sounds really weird, but trust me, it's good. And I like to put some cheese on mine. I don't know if that's weird, but it tastes really, really good, and you will get super full.